Hi, welcome back to the J.T. Woodworks channel. This is part 2 of the gear shift pen. This is the barrel that we just turned a few minutes ago. I have the pieces here. There's the insert. Here's the top with the gear shift. Then this is the tip coupler and then the tip. And we're just going to put that together here with the pen press. First thing, we just have to put the tip coupler in. Just set up the press here. Press that in. And we need to press in the top. And then those two pieces are installed on the barrel. We can just drop in the tip, make sure the spring is on it, or the insert, and then screw on the tip. And then, like I said before, you just use it like a shifter. And when it's in first or reverse, the tip is extended. When it's in first or second, the tip is extended. When it's in fifth or reverse, then it's retracted. And the last thing to do is to just screw on the end cap. And there it is. A gunmetal finish on all the metal parts, Bubinga barrel, and it's all completed. I've only been making these for a couple months, but they are quite popular. I've sold quite a few of these in the last couple months. I think a lot went for holiday gifts. And if you like what you see, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.